doing? Watching food videos on YouTube? So are you hungry? Eat? Eat, eat, sleep? Eat, eat, sleep? I guess that's a yes. That's the sound she makes when she's hungry, I'm assuming. Yeah, you. Okay, her battery's stuck again. I'm going to have to hit her on the back of the head, get her unstuck. All right, we'll go get something to eat. I get it. Get something to eat? All right. I'll talk to you guys in a minute. All right, guys, just down here walking down Wabo Street. If you remember the noodle place I keep talking about, which is right down there on the corner of Street 24 and Wabo. You've seen this area in some of my other videos. It's almost 6 o'clock at night and they are closed. Apparently, I just received information that they are only open in the mornings. They serve a breakfast and early lunch crowd. And then there's a place behind it that serves beer and pizza. I don't know if it's owned by the same people, but apparently that takes over around 11 o'clock in the morning to, noon. And there's nothing against the pizza, but when your heart is set on a good bowl of noodles, that is just not going to cut it. So, before my final words might be, I can't have noodles, I will not say any more until I actually get across this road in one piece. I think it's important when you're crossing the street to have your last words in mind. Okay. So, I'm gonna look for something else in the area. Don't really come down this way much. So I guess I can see what they have down here. I know they have restaurants, but you're gonna get a good bowl of noodles for $1. Yeah, I'm kind of doubting that. Oh, what a bummer. Don't know what they serve here. But you know what? I see open flames. I see rolls. I see all kinds of goodies. I think we should I don't know. I have to rethink my strategy here. Because I don't see any noodles. I don't need them. I'm not opposed to anything else. But it's what I was craving. Huh. That's interesting. Zero. Must be free. Zero. Yeah. Let's see some other olive. The grills are getting fired up here. Yeah. Looks like they have some food offerings. Huh. I'm going to have to discuss this and figure out what I want to eat here. I actually have fish in this pond. I don't know if you can see them. It's kind of dark. Water's kind of murky. But they do have fish. I'm guessing they're not on the menu. Or maybe they are. I don't know. So, hello. So I'm going to go find something to eat. And I'll talk to you guys later. I'm sitting here at a restaurant. And Apparently I found a friend. Scared me jumping on my leg. Whoa. Hey, kitty. Huh. Freaked me out a little bit. Anyway, there's my meal. So yeah. Alright guys, that's where I ate, right there. You can see the prices, 8,000 real, 10,000 real. All the prices aren't real, but nothing's more expensive than like $3 USD. Both meals together with 2 drinks came to 22,000 real. That's like it's less than $6, like $5.50 or something like that. The food was good. It wasn't great. It didn't blow me away. It was fine. Portion sizes were a little small even for that price though. It just, I'm still hungry. I'm probably going to grab another noodle dish for $1 while I'm down here. I've actually had $1 dishes that left me so full I couldn't eat the rest of the day. And this time I left, I'm a little bit hungry. But the meal I got did include, for the first time since I've been here, you know those little tiny baby ears of corn you use in stir fries? I think they have a name, I don't know what. But I actually had some of those in my meal. They were very tasty. And I've never had that before here, so points for that. And I gave some of my chicken to that cat because, well, he was clawing at my shorts and looking up at me with sad, hungry eyes while he was meowing. So just like I told you in my last video, cats and women, man, it's all the same. Just, he got some chicken. He should be happy. Anyway, I guess we're gonna go across that way. Try to get across this roundabout. Tell by the flame over there, it's windy out tonight. The breeze feels good though. So there we go. I definitely need something else to eat. Hello. No, thank you.
What special price for you?
Oh no, I already been to Angkor Wat. I already been to Angkor Wat. Yeah, head down here and see what they got food wise. I am going to get me Mui Nu Pao. Mui Nu Pao. Mui Nu Pai. Yep. That simply means Mui is the Khmer word for one, and Nupai is the word for them very yummy pork and egg-filled steamed buns that I love so very much. So see, I learned some Khmer. I know I can always go up to that lady and order one steamed bun whenever I see her. Anyway, it looks like we're down here by the art night market section. And there will be no food here. So we're going to have to go that way. That way to find the good stuff. Of course, this music's really good stuff. Good stuff. you guys can look at that. All right, here we go. Look at all the motos, but more importantly, look at all these food carts. They go on and on down there. My favorite part of downtown. Look at that. They just keep going. This is my nirvana. Okay, we're gonna find some tasty treats. I'll talk to you guys later. And just found the first. A rabbit. There you go. Right in the middle of Siem Reap. A rabbit. Looks like kept as a pet. But could be dinner. Who knows? One day. If they have rabbit stew, I will tell you how it tastes. Let's see here. Oh, there we go, there we go. There we go. Noodle soup. I'm gonna stop here and grab something to eat. Talk to you guys later. And while I'm waiting for my soup, there's some more rabbit cuteness. There you go. There's the other one. They're just hopping around. I call that one stew and that one soup when they get bigger.